What's up, Z Nation? It's your boy Trip.
Hey, Z Nation, it's Mama Bear.
And we are here with another Mukbang Monday. All right, listen, we are for Gen Z, so if you don't know who we are everything vlog, mukbang channel, podcast, everything Gen Z.
We even take field trips, y'all.
Right. So if you are Gen Z between the ages of 14 or 24, 12 or 11?
Yeah.
11 or 24, we are talking everything Gen Z, and we would love your feedback. Make sure you are subscribing, make sure you are sharing, because we're dropping 3 episodes a week, okay?
Become a part of the Z Nation.
Exactly. So follow us at Gen Z for Instagram, and then for Gen Z on TikTok. So yeah, we got a TikTok channel now.
And Twitter.
Twitter, yeah. You know, I saw your TikToks.
You know, for a beginner, I thought it was fire.
Damn. Like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
Shout out to Maya, by the way, for Gen Zer, one of my favorite humans on the earth, who helped me with that. Well, she was patient with me.
I know it took patience.
But y'all, have y'all seen Trip on a TikTok?
Lit.
I mean, no. So at least I'm out there.
I do have a TikTok. I'll show them.
Did you do it?
I did one.
No.
Ha. Yeah. This is hold up.
It was fire too.
It was not.
It was fire. So what we eating today? What we eating today? Because I am starving.
I know I haven't eaten all day. So nachos. Pretty simple.
Cheese.
Nachos.
The cheese that doesn't belong to you.
Right? So we got some ground turkey. Trying to do a little healthier spin.
Mm.
Spanish rice. Black beans. Queso. Thin chips. My favorite.
Yeah.
And then, of course,
my favorite.
Your favorite. Spicy
the purple
chili.
Doritos. I'm telling
Purple Doritos.
If you don't know the purple spicy Doritos.
They are pretty fire, y'all.
Fire.
Yeah. And then your lettuce, tomato, onion, and green chilies, which you told me that you'll only eat the cheese and the lettuce.
Yeah, I'm basic. I don't eat all the veggies and stuff. I'll mess with the black beans.
Okay.
Yeah, but this week we will be talking about things, the 10 things that...
Top 10 characteristics of
Gen Z.
Gen Z.
So today we will share what we think.
He's going to do 5, I'll do 5.
I don't think I got 5 in me.
Well, you want to show them the envelope too?
Right. So, in this envelope,
dun, 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 dun,
we have the confidential information, the actual top 10 characteristics of Generation Z.
Research-based.
All research-based. All facts here.
But we're going to try to guess prior to opening that up on Wednesday.
We'll open this on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right, well...
I'll let you go first then. You want to go first?
Well, let's fix our plate and then we'll go. Why don't we just talk about like what we did over the weekend while we fixed our plate?
Okay.
I'm going to go first.
And I'm going to talk about what I did over the weekend?
Yeah. It's Monday.
Yeah. It was a long weekend.
Clearly I created some fire TikToks over the weekend.
You did. Well, first of all, in Ohio, it was the weather was fantastic this weekend.
It was gorgeous.
It was a whole 48 degrees.
Hey, y'all, don't laugh for all y'all in California and those places.
That's what I'm saying. So I just chilled, really. I don't get to relax too much. Had family in town. I'm crazy. My sister had her baby.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So shout out to my sister.
Congratulations.
If you haven't seen previous episodes, she is the reason why they call me Trip. She lives in Atlanta, and she just had a little baby boy. His name is August. So shout out to
August.
you, man. I love you, miss you, and I'm about to take a vacation there.
Yeah, when you gonna get to go visit?
I don't know. I need to go soon, though. I'm the type of person where I travel all the time.
Me too. I love to travel, by the way.
Where's the next place you're going?
So, just got back from Arizona, as you guys know, and the next trip, I believe, is in May. Shout out to my cousins. We do a cousins trip, and we're going to...
Where?
The Cayman Islands.
The Cayman Islands?
Cayman Islands. Oh,
you see that queso?
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Yeah.
Well,
So
why wasn't I invited on this trip?
well, it's an all girls cousins trip. You're not my cousin. Well, like a cousin brother. But dang, I said again. That's 10. What's it? 10 or 20 cents?
So we're keeping a running tally. How many times she says how many times I say like.
Right.
She's gonna lose.
Because now it's on my brain.
And now you're gonna be very conscientious about it.
So I got a lot of comments on our Philly cheese egg rolls.
Yeah, they were delicious.
A lot of people wanted the recipes and they appreciated the crunch. I never knew why people like to watch mukbangs. Because I'm like,
the crunch was fire. First
what's
of all,
the interest? But
this turkey is
thanks for your
very
feedback.
turkey-ish. I'm a ground beef person, but
What's turkey-ish?
it smells different.
Oh, can I have the turkey?
Yeah, comment if you like ground turkey or ground beef, and does it change how the taco hits or the nachos?
Yeah.
You don't think the look at that, I'm putting
If I
black
wouldn't
beans
have
on here.
if I wouldn't have told you, you wouldn't know.
Oh, for sure. The turkey is a little more light skinned.
You know. Oh, before we leave today, we got to make sure there were a couple of people that wanted some shout outs.
Shout outs aren't free, y'all.
So I did tell a couple of people. We're drinking strawberry lemonade today.
One of my faves. So wait, did you tell what you did this weekend?
No, so this weekend, well, sort of. I went to Columbus, Ohio, which is about 2 hours, and spent some time.
Go Bucks.
Go Bucks, OH. I spent some time at my parents' house.
Oh, okay.
So Friday night, I got to hang out with them and my niece and nephews. Can I have that? And then Saturday, we had some old friends over for pizza and wings. And just chilled.
This
Did
is about to
some-
be fire, first of all.
It really is. I don't know why I'm
Like
putting
they-
this
like
much
they
on my
say,
plate.
fire.
But
Fire.
fire.
And if you like the crunch before, the crunch is about to be
Should
crazy.
really crunchy now.
So you know what I noticed on mukbang channels?
Oh
They get kind of grimy on those channels. Like, I mean, the amount of dipping sauce and open
Yeah.
mouth chewing. That's right
I
up my
thought it would
alley.
feel uncomfortable. Maybe it's just because I love 4G and I'll do anything for them.
Oh, shoot.
But
Yeah.
I don't even know why, guys. This looks like this.
All right. So while you're preparing and while your brain's thinking,
My brain's stinking.
yeah, that's what they do. Brains think.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. What do you think one of the characteristics of Gen Z is? Off the top
Oh,
of
so
the-
we're doing 5 characteristics each, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do 5.
Okay.
I think I have 2.
I think that one of the characteristics is that they're super creative.
I can agree with that.
And that's more of a lane that they want to reside in than your normal day-to-day sit behind a desk 9 to 5 kind of preparation for a job for.
Right.
So I actually got to talk to, I told you guys about Maya, and
How old is Maya?
Maya is 15. She'll be 16 in July.
Mm.
She's a twin. Hey, what's up, Mason? And when we were doing our TikToks, we were actually talking about Mason. And Mason's involved in a lot of stuff right now. But he said that he would like it if he could just focus on one thing. So
Yeah.
instead of being in sports and, student council and wrestling and whatever, he would love just to stay in the lane of music because that's where his creative juices lie.
Mm.
So, but he does a lot of the other stuff for social, just to be social. So,
Right.
but yeah, so I think that they're creative and that they get misunderstood that they're lazy or just don't want to focus when in actuality they just want to use their creativity.
Right. Okay.
That's-
Well, mine, this is for sure on there. Has to be. They're definitely into the technology.
Oh, that's an easy one.
Easy.
That better be in that envelope. But
Because, I mean, they were born into the world, like we talked about before, with cell phones.
right.
and never knew the trials of dial-up internet.
Right. They have to be in the technology because they don't know a world without it.
Right.
So, okay.
What would happen if like we just lost all internet? Do you think they would be able to function?
I don't know if we will be able to function.
You're right, because I do everything.
I think that's
on my
across
phone.
generations, not just.
Even baby boomers.
I think that they would know how to.
Listen,
I don't think that they would function as great, but they would have the skill set. So they would know how to read a map.
right?
They would know how to use a payphone.
Wait, would they? A real map?
Baby boomers?
Oh, baby boomers. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, Mama Bear did it again, y'all. Fire.
They should hear lots of crunching this time. But,
Okay, so
yeah.
I'll say technology. What's another one of yours? Characteristics of Gen
Ooh.
Z.
I think that they are misunderstood as non-communicators,
Mm-hmm.
but I just feel that they are communicators with strong opinions. And I guess non-communicator wasn't the right adjective, but more rebellious and
Right,
argumentative.
right.
When I think it's really just they believe in their opinions, and it's not a fear to speak up what you mean and what you think.
Okay.
I don't know
Well,
what
you kind of took mine because I was going to say non-traditional. Like they don't feel like they have to be the same as everyone else.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that's kind of like what you just said.
Yeah, it's okay to be different.
Oh yeah.
What's that, 2 each?
2 each. I'll throw it back on you real quick.
I don't know if you're going to say it's the same thing, but I think because of that,
Yeah.
they are more open to diversity, right? So, because it's the norm,
Right.
whether it's in your skin tone, in your sexual orientation, your religion, or what have you.
Did you see the one video? Remember the field trip Friday, and we showed everybody like the different pictures. The one girl thought the MySpace thing was all gender bathroom,
Right.
which is wild. I would have never guessed that or said that, but that goes to show.
But that's Generation Z.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of controversy right now, like even with the D Wade stuff. You know.
Yeah, with his daughter.
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, that's a whole nother episode. But people are always going to have opinions,
Mm-hmm.
and it kind of I don't forget who was on the show or who we talked to. I think it was Ivante in the barbershop.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't seen that episode, go check that out.
If you haven't caught up on all the episodes, you have to. We reference a lot. Referencers.
But Ivante said he's a Gen Zer, and his advice to Gen Z was just be you, be yourself.
Yeah.
And I think that's what really they stand for and what they're about, and something that I admire.
Right. I think the biggest thing that why I wanted to bring it up is because he said he really just didn't know himself.
Who's that?
D Wade.
Oh, okay.
He was, he had to educate himself about everything, and it's just a generational gap because I'm sure he was brought up different than.
Right. Like, what if that was him and his mom raised him? How?
No, that's something to think
Would
about.
would she be prepared or what? Like, I think they made a statement that they had to use the resources and things like that to research how to parent a child in this community.
Yeah.
And I don't even know if those are out there prior to this generation.
So it's my turn. I think that
number
they
3.
are hustlers. Like, I think they will have more than one job. So,
Why do you say that?
I mean, I guess it kind of goes back to the whole creative thing. Like, creative people usually have multiple things that they can do or will do. And I read an article that said this generation is most likely to have like an e-commerce website or
Oh, wow.
merch,
Right.
you know, their own starting a clothing line, but also still being a student or being employed somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Like I know so many kids right now who are in college and starting clothing lines while they're in college. Or,
It's kind of funny. I guess this would be my characteristic. I feel this is a generation who would prefer not to work for anyone outside of themselves.
yeah, you always got to pay the taxes. Oh,
Well, that's true. But you know what I'm saying.
I know exactly what you mean. Yeah, so I think they're hustlers. I didn't think I would get 3. I'm 3 now.
That was my fourth.
Oh, 4?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Independent contractors.
Oh, yeah. The turkey, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I normally don't like turkey. It's hidden though. I'm telling you.
Told you. Trust Mama Bear. Trust her.
Listen, I'm a big Nacho Taco Tuesday person. So
I know. I wish today was Tuesday just for that purpose.
Taco Monday.
Taco Monday.
I had somebody DM me and said, and they said, "You're making it so hard for me to stay on my diet."
We only do it once a week.
Right. Do it on your cheat day.
I still don't. Could you imagine doing this every day?
Nah, couldn't do it. But in the description, we'll make sure we put down all the ingredients. If you want to do your own nacho bar, feel free.
So simple.
It is.
Do
How
you
much
feel
is
like
it?
a lot of college people do this because it's so simple?
I don't know if they do it to this extent, but they should. It's like the ultimate party food. It would be
Right.
super. How much did it cost? You know, we like to tell them how much everything costs every week.
Carry the one minus the 2 bottles of wine
Don't forget the square root.
with the square root.
Hmm.
Probably $22. No, not even.
So we're on our way to a book.
Yeah.
We're up to 3 meals under 30.
Oh yeah. So if I do it
Maybe
again.
All right, we'll be.
But next week, y'all, it's my birthday week.
Right. How old you gonna be? 24.
24.
This,
That's right.
This is your first year being 24, or
No,
interesting.
it's been several, but it's okay. So anyway, next week, our topic is all Mama Bear's favorite things. So I'm thinking about, it's either going to be 1 or 2 things on Monday. Should I say it now or just have them wait?
Just have them wait.
Okay. Comment down below what you think my favorite food is.
Yeah. So what we got up here? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
That's the quote of the day.
I didn't even know you wrote that. But for real, like, comment, subscribe.
And share.
And if you want to comment on what you think a characteristic of Gen Z is, feel free. Because on Wednesday, we're going to reveal the results.
There's 10 of them.
We've been sitting on this envelope. Highly confident. I kind of bend it a little bit. Bend documents. Highly
go.
classified documents. in here.
Confidential.
Well,
And we'll see who got the most points out of the top 10.
exactly. But as always, you guys, we love you.
Clean plater?
My plate is clean. I made a happy plate, as my niece would say.
A happy plate?
Exactly. A happy plate. An empty plate is a happy plate.
Do you have any challenges for them today?
What did Avante say?
Be you.
Be you. We actually do think about the challenges before, but
We somehow lose them between the food and the commentary.
exactly.
Yeah.
But like Avante said, be yourself. I want to challenge you guys. Don't be afraid to try something just because you think that someone's not gonna approve or like what you're trying.
Right.
You know? So yeah. That's it. Your plate is you see you put too much. With tacos, less is more. Maybe I'll show you guys a picture of Mama Bear's plate. She put too much on there, y'all.
It's pretty though.
It is,
It's
but
pretty.
pretty busy. Yeah. Taco sauce, sour cream. Look like a
That's-
Chipotle bowl.
Exactly. I'll have some for tomorrow.
Right. But Z Nation, we love you. We out.
Peace.
Peace.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with a whole